My name is Sandeep Kaur and I'm from Amritsar. Now I'm going to explain the working system of lungs. Human lungs, my team is with me and I am studying in a Nanny Institute of Nanny course and my friend is Sandeep. Let's start please.
Well, today we will explain about the working of lungs. So please explain it.
There are number of components that help in the working of lungs. Firstly, there is a larynx and trachea. There are two tubes in human body, esophagus for which is food pipe, and other is trachea, which is mean for respiration. And next part is the bronchioles. And bronchioles are divided into three parts: primary bronchiole, secondary, and then tertiary. At the end part of the lungs, there are alveoli. There is the exchange of gases, carbon dioxide as well as oxygen. When we inhale, the air enter into the epiglottis, which open when air enter, and then air comes into the trachea. With the help of trachea, the further division of trachea, there are bronchi, and bronchi, air enter in the bronchi and then goes to the branches, different type of branches, primary, secondary as well as tertiary. When the air, which is oxygen, goes into the site of alveoli, there are exchange of gases. There are alveoli produce the carbon dioxide and which absorb oxygen absorbed by the alveoli and exhale the carbon dioxide outside. Thank you. Now I am going to discuss the working of this type of working of lungs. When person inhale, the air fills in the lungs. How the air fills?
So, one more thing, see, if you are comfortable in English, then go over it. Otherwise, of Hindi, maybe explain the road as well. So, end of the day, it's about understanding what you know.
Yeah. Please fill the air. Inhaling, air filled in the sacs. Exhalation of carbon dioxide. Thank you all.